Hi guys, my name is Bappy Hamed and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'm going to announce for one of our amazing product we have created for you. And probably this is the most requested product from your site. Okay, I'm going to tell you why this is the most requested product, okay, and what is the product and all about. So you already know that I have been working with Krishna sir. It's been long time. We had so many collaboration together. So see, nowadays everyone is trying to learn artificial intelligence, generative AI, machine learning, okay, computer vision, whatever you can say. But the most difficulties they are facing whenever they are developing something. Let's say you have learned machine learning, and when it comes to the development, that means when it comes to the project development, I'm not talking about any kinds of notebook project, okay, which we always do. We just import a data set and we do some EDA and feature engineering, train the model. It's not like that, okay? In real world, it is something different. So we usually create the end-to-end pipeline there. So whenever it comes for end-to-end implementation with different MLOPs tools as well, so people usually face the difficulties. They don't know like how to create this entire orchestration, entire pipeline, okay, and how to build the end-to-end solution. So it is related to all the domain. I'm not talking about the machine learning. I'm talking about deep learning. I'm talking about computer vision. I'm talking about NLP, GenAI, agentic AI, everywhere. So that's why we were working on a product. The product name is Industry Ready, okay, Real World Projects. So finally, the wait is over, and this product is live on krishnaik.in, okay, website. Now the best part is that in a single place you will be getting almost all kinds of projects, okay? All kinds of projects, whether it is from agentic AI, whether it is from computer vision, whether it is from data analytics, data science, deep learning, GenAI, machine learning, NLP, Python, all the domain, okay? And even you can also find the specific skills. Let's say you want to master the audio processing, AWS, API development, okay, DAX. So that's how you can filter out your skills. You can filter out the technologies, okay. And I'm happy to announce this in this platform you will be getting more than 50 plus real world end-to-end projects, okay, end-to-end projects recording with the proper source code, architecture design, and everything, okay. So why I'm talking about the proper resources, so let me open up one of the project. Let's say I'm opening this particular projects. So here if you see, if you go to the uh, overview section, so here you will see the entire architecture diagram, okay, then what you will build, okay, after completing this particular projects, prerequisite, the entire curriculum, okay, and definitely the interview as well, okay. So let's say you have completed this particular projects and you want to attend the interview. So we are also having a platform there you can give the interview as well, okay. Now, not only that, you can open up any kinds of projects from here. Okay, any kinds of projects from here you can open. Let's say you want to learn this Kubernetes. Okay, let's say Azure multi-model compliance. Okay, this particular project. Just open it up and see this architecture. Okay, it's completely end-to-end. Okay, detailed architecture, real-world projects. Okay, so that's how guys, in this platform you'll be finding almost all kinds of projects from all kinds of technologies, all kinds of domains, okay? And every month new projects would be added here. So the best part is that every Saturday and Sunday there would be a live session. In that live session, mentor will come and they will teach you these are the project development in live. So you can join this live session, okay, and real time you can ask your doubt. If you have any kinds of let's say error, any kinds of setup issue, definitely you can solve from your mentor. So I'm going to share the link in the description section. From there you can open it up and you can check from your end. Just try to go through the project guys, just try to go through the projects and the architectures, okay, each and everything. Just try to check from your end. Now if you want to take this product guys, you have to take as a subscription plan. So if you click on the enroll now, so basically it is a year wise subscription. If you're from India, it would be 9,000 INR, okay, per year. And if you're not from India, if you're from any other country, for you it would be $160, okay, per year. So I think this is very, I mean, less amount, okay, as per the quality and the quantity actually we are providing here. Just try to check from your end and just let me know if you find anything special, if you find anything, let's say, wrong. You just give your feedback. So definitely we'll be working on that. And I already told you, every month there would be new projects added, okay, in this particular platform. So let's say right now here you'll be getting 50 plus project, but every month there would be update, okay, from different kinds of domain, different kinds of technologies, okay, there would be update. And the live session would be there every Saturday and Sunday. So there some of the mentor will come and they will discuss all of this project, okay, one by one. So yes guys, this is the announcement. I just wanted to show you this product actually we have built, and I think this is the most requested things from you. I also got lots of messages from my audience like I need different project implementation, okay, because what happens whenever you are attending any kinds of interview, so definitely they will look for the projects, okay, the projects you have built. So that's why I think this platform will help you to make your skills more stronger, make your knowledge more smarter, okay, and definitely will have lots of projects, okay, after taking this platform. So some of the projects you can directly mention on your resume too, okay, if you see the architecture, if you see the implementation, that would be completely amazing, okay. So I hope guys you like this product. Just to let me know how was the product and all. And that's how we'll be bringing lots of actually surprises for you. Only just we need your support. So definitely everything would be covered. So yes, I'm going to share the resources, the link in my description. From there you can check it out. And if you face any kinds of difficulty, there is a WhatsApp number you can join and definitely get the support from here. So yes guys, this is all about from the announcement. I think you get it. So thanks for watching guys.